Hey folks, how y'all doing? We're doing a video on a Dewalt utility cart, and I got ideas for this thing. Holds 500 pounds. It's a watch out, puppy. DWM T78086. Now this thing is as bad as a bone. It's made out of thick 16 and 18 gauge construction steel. Each tray will hold 250 pounds, so 500 pounds altogether. And a guy on YouTube, one of my subscribers gave me an idea. He put his Dewalt heater on a cart. So I'm like, hey, I'm gonna do that. So, big shout out to I'll tell you his name. Good dude. Yeah, I'm gonna put my Dewalt heater in my propane tank right on the cart, so I can move, so it'll be mobile. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, well, anyway, here's the dog. She chasing the male lady. Well, here it is so far. The handle, that's the handle. The leg, the uprights for the shelves. Got the wheels on. Them things are sexy now. And these are the locking swivel casters. I got an Acme tool for $79.95. And I say, man, what better than a Dewalt tool cart, or utility cart for Dewalt heater. Here's our other shelf right here. So it's gonna be cool. All right, well, we'll be back in a minute. We'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna put the uprights on it. And you can either use an Allen wrench here, or it's a 12 millimeter. All right, good construction. And I went ahead and put some, lube on the wheels, like I said to do. And the instructions. And the instructions are right here. I just love, when it comes to John Deere and Dewalt stuff, that's my daughter. She's in here, honey. I'm talking my daughter. But yeah, I mean, care, cleaning, says, grease. I just use some John Deere lubricant, spray lubricant. Here's what I use. It's good all around for everything. Multi-purpose spray lubricant. TY 6350, that's what I use. So you need it. It's sort of like WD-40, but probably a little bit different. But it's basically the same. It's a blue color. All right, well, we're back. I'll let you know the subscriber's name. All right. Okay, y'all, back to recording. And yeah, the guy's name is Brian OCHS. He got his car from Harbor Freight, which, hey, that's cool. I think he got it was like $32. I mean, they range anywhere from $32 on up. But yeah, big shout out to Brian OCHS. And I'll put a big shout out to him. I'll put a little link on his YouTube channel for give me the idea. And yeah, man, he'll like this when I see me making a video. All right, we're gonna put the uprights on it and go from there. So we'll be back here shortly. All right. Hey folks, we got the uprights up on there, and they're pretty good to go. Little screws, four corners. This has a rounded edge too. Look at how it's bent. Right here, that's nice. No sharp edges, like that. No sharp edges. But yeah, I mean, this is how it's going to go. It's going to be awesome. Man, I love this stuff. All right, put stuff together and, trying it out and using it. But yeah, man, man, woman, everybody. But yeah, we're going to put the top on and the handle, and that's going to be it. But I got it on my Dewalt table, and I got the wheels locked in the front. So that's going to be good to go. And I'll probably put I got some rubber, some EPDM roofing material. I'll lay right here, put the tank on, and probably the heater, so no vibration won't slide or anything to protect the metal surface. So we'll go from there. All right, folks. We'll be back shortly. We'll put the top on. And the Dewalt symbol will be right here, and then the handle over here. All right. So here we go. Okay, folks, we're back. We got her built. We got the top section on. The wheels, the uprights, and the top shelf. And it's looking good. And it's stout. 250 pounds on the bottom and 250 pounds on the top. So 500 pounds altogether. And this handle is super heavy duty. I mean, of course, it's a Dewalt. Who doesn't like that? I mean, I'm a Dewalt fan, you know what I'm saying? It's probably made by somebody else, but hey, that's all right. Same $9, it was the same price as anything else, but I cut me some rubber. It's not exactly the squarest stuff in the world, but it's what I had to work with. It's EPDM roofing material. It's made by Carlisle. And it's got fiber, well, it's reinforced rubber, and it'll last forever. So I'm going to put my tank on this, and my heater will go on that, but I'm going to put them on the bottom. The rubber is going to go on the bottom. So we'll be doing that. But it's a good all-around cart. You got the locks. You lock them in place. I mean, it's smooth. I mean, it's a good cart. What can I say? It's a cart. And here's the model number again, folks. Dewalt MT 78086. And y'all, it's just super. It's super. And here she is again. So, in the next part of the video, I'll be putting the heater and the propane tank on the cart. So we'll be back in a second. All right. Okay, folks. This is a success. All right. This is exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to put my heater on here. You come on in here if you want to, Kinsley. And it works perfect. The bottom shelf, I got my rubber down there, my EPDM rubber. It's ruby. You careful. But I got it where it's mobile. And I got my propane tank right there. How you like the heat, Kinsley?
I like it. I just want to.
All right. And I got my tank, my heater, everything's right there. All mobile. So I can move it anywhere in the shop. Like Brian Ock said. I'm like, woohoo, good idea, man. So I got this cart for $79 at Acme Tools. And it's a bomb. You got plenty of room. Like I say, you got plenty of room. Like I say, I got my hose regulator. There's no kinks in the hose. You got it wrapped around my tank. Comes right here from over here. And there we go. Simple. Simple. I could slide that a little bit out of the way. So, but yeah, I mean, what a perfect setup. And like I say, I got my, everything's right here. And got the heater working. Now I can move it anywhere in the shop I want to. I don't have to be limited. Or, I mean, it's just a pain carrying it around, but and this top doesn't get hot at all because the heat is blowing out. So the cart, I mean, don't get any better than this, y'all. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all about this cart, and Brian Ock on YouTube gave me an idea. But when I saw this Dewalt carts, woohoo! What better else way to do it? And here's a model number of it. Close up. Let me see here. Well, anyway, I'll get the point. DMT 8086. 1-800-4 Dewalt. Alright. So, like I say, that's what to get. Works great, man. Of course, it's 60 degrees outside. Don't really need a heater right now. But it's working great. But anyway, hey y'all. I'm going to thank you for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. God bless and Semper Fi. Hey, y'all have a good one. That's an awesome cart right there. I got Acme tools. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. Alright now. God bless and Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Hoorah. Come on, get in here, Ruby. She's out there playing. Well, there she blows. Ain't nothing better than John Deere green and yellow and Dewalt black and yellow. All right, y'all take it easy now. All right.